Hey everyone, Zapparoli here, and today I will bring you one more episode about the latest news that happened on Qlik Cloud. And this week we got some great improvements across some products of automations, analytics, reporting, and Talend Pipeline. So let's go through them. For starters, let's talk about the new improvements on the Qlik automation editor. It's now possible to collapse and expand the blocks in loop and condition blocks on your automations. As you can see here on the screen, this is especially good when you have like multiple blocks and conditions looped into your automations. So this will help you get a more clean visual, right? Another good UX improvement was that the order of the history here, it's in the same order as the blocks in our automation. So this will making debugging quite faster, right? And to finish it, we have a new place for the settings button here on the automations. This is a very small change, but it actually helps a lot when you get some complex automations, so I really appreciate this one. Following on the next news, we got the reload time variables and constraints that were added to the Qlik clouds and the reload API. So basically this allows you to pass variables dynamically into the reload process without editing the script itself. If you want more information about this one, we can actually check this LinkedIn post here by Dave Chen. He is from the product team at Qlik, where he explains a bit more of what we can use this new functionality, and he actually provides a very cool demo about how do we use those variables in some reload scenarios. And obviously this is very good for template apps where you need to control multiple variables across environments. For the next news, we have something that I was greatly looking forward to, which is the implementation of the HTML reports on Qlik Cloud. Yes, this was a feature that was only possible on Qlik and printing before, and now we can do on Qlik Cloud. For this one, I'm not going to go into much detail now because I plan to create a full video just talking about this and with some use cases and demonstrations. So look forward to that. And to finish this video, we got some last two updates here for this week, which are the Pixel Perfect template editor improvements, which includes a autosave feature that you can turn off here, and some image sizing control, so you can work with zoom levels a little better. And finally, we have some Qlik Talend Cloud pipeline updates, which basically includes the possibility to load a zip file with multiple JSON files instead of only one. This is very helpful actually for big projects on Talend, so you don't have to include a single JSON file at a time. Well, this week we got some crazy improvements, so I'm really glad that Qlik has been pushing so many updates like this. I'll be leaving the link to the LinkedIn post and this page right here on the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are not, and stay tuned for the next ones. Zapparoli, out!